Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making caramel milk pudding dessert. Silky smooth milk pudding infused with caramel flavor. Simple yet elegant and perfect for any occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well and let it boil. Now keep aside. In another pan, add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes to a golden brown color. Do not overburn the caramel. Carefully add 1/4 cup water and mix well. Now add the boiled milk and stir. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoon agar-agar powder and mix continuously. Cook until the agar powder dissolves completely. Make sure agar dissolves fully. Remove from heat and strain the mixture into a steel plate. Straining gives extra smooth texture. Sprinkle nuts on top. Cool down, then keep in freeze for 30 minutes until set. Slice and serve. Caramel gives a rich golden color naturally. Agar-agar is plant-based and vegetarian friendly. Cardamom enhances traditional flavor. This dessert sets without eggs. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade dessert have controlled sugar. Agar-agar is lighter than gelatin. Enjoy in moderation for balanced sweetness. Your caramel milk pudding is ready. Smooth, glossy and delicious. Perfect for guests or family gatherings. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy dessert recipes.